Can I use my phone while roaming without incurring extra charges?
Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video where we will be discussing whether you can use your phone while roaming without incurring extra charges. Roaming can be a confusing topic, so let's dive in and find out the answer.
Understanding roaming charges.
Roaming charges are additional fees that mobile service providers apply when you use your phone outside of your home network. These charges can be quite expensive, especially when it comes to data usage, making it important to understand how roaming works and how to avoid excessive fees.
Roaming options and plans.
Fortunately, there are options and plans available that can help you use your phone while roaming without incurring extra charges. Many mobile service providers offer specific roaming plans or add-ons that allow you to use your phone abroad without paying exorbitant fees. These plans often include a certain amount of data, voice minutes, and text messages that you can use while traveling. It's essential to check with your service provider before traveling to see what roaming plans are available to you. Some providers even offer temporary upgrades to your existing plan, allowing you to use your regular data, minutes, and messages abroad without incurring extra charges.
Wi-Fi and app-based communication.
Another way to use your phone while roaming without incurring extra charges is by utilizing Wi-Fi and app-based communication. When connected to a Wi-Fi network, you can make calls, send messages, and use various apps without relying on your mobile data network. This method can be especially useful for messaging apps that offer voice and video calling features. There are numerous apps available that allow you to communicate with friends and family through Wi-Fi or data connections, such as WhatsApp, Skype, and Viber. By using these apps, you can stay connected without worrying about roaming charges.
Checking and managing data usage.
To avoid unexpected charges, it's crucial to keep track of your data usage while roaming. Most smartphones have built-in features that allow you to monitor your data consumption. By regularly checking your data usage and setting data limits on your device, you can prevent excessive usage and potential charges. Additionally, you can disable automatic app updates, background data usage, and push notifications for non-essential apps while roaming. These steps will help conserve data and minimize the risk of incurring extra charges. In conclusion, it is possible to use your phone while roaming without incurring extra charges. By exploring roaming plans, utilizing Wi-Fi and app-based communication, and effectively managing your data usage, you can stay connected and avoid hefty fees while traveling. Remember to check with your mobile service provider to understand the specific options and plans available to you. Safe travels, and thank you for watching today's video.